What's up, everybody? Just getting home from work, man. I'm hungry. Trying to get in here and find me something to eat. Stick around and I'll show you what we're making today. So yeah, today's product review, I'm just doing two different versions of it. They make a lot of products. Check out Adaptables. They're pretty neat. They got some easy things that's already pre-seasoned, easy to cook. Let's look at them, see what we think. So today we're making a super simple meal. This is called Adaptable Meals. It's already pre-seasoned. Man, I've tried their pork chops and everything, and all of them are good, but it's already seasoned in the package. And all I'm going to do is just take it out of the package and throw it on the smoker, and we'll go from there. I've already got some other things in there smoking, so boneless loin filet. Let's go with this and see what we got. So as you can see, I got it fired up. Now we're going to put the lid on and the rods in and let this thing come up to temperature, and we'll get our food going. All right, we've got it in there smoking. We'll come back in just a little bit and check on it, but I think it's going to be delicious. Hey, if you're interested in a keto, low carb lifestyle, let me invite you to subscribe and ring the bell and all that good stuff. Like the video. I normally try to do stuff that's real simple and easy, and I appreciate you watching today, and we'll carry on with the video. So yeah, we've got it in here taking a bath in smoke. We'll come back and check on it in just a little bit. Put my thermopop in here. A neat little gadget to have. And she's at 170. I went over just a little bit, but we'll take that off and it'll be ready. So here's our final product. The good old little tenderloin that was pre-seasoned, and man, it looks really good. I just got it off the smoker and sliced it a little bit. Now it's time to eat. Yeah, it's a real simple thing to do. You can cook it in your oven or on the grill or even in the smoker. Let's get some pork. Well, it's a rainy day. Just getting home from work. I'm hungry. I want something quick. So this is going to go on the grill. Let me show you what I got today. It's another adaptable product, the smoky mesquite ribeyes. And these things are simple to make. They're fast. They're seasoned well. And if you look on the back, you can see the nutritional information and ingredients. It does have a little bit of sugar in it, but that's not a deal breaker for me. You can rinse off some of the seasoning if you want to and not put it in there. But yeah, let's put it on the grill and watch it cook. It's going to be ready in about 8 minutes. So when I'm cooking when I'm cooking pork on the grill, I always just throw some olive oil spray on there. Pork seems to have a tendency to want to stick, so I'm going to spray it down and get them on there. Yeah, they coming along. I do about 2 minutes, then cross them up to get the little crisscross pattern on them. 2 more minutes, flip them over, 2 more minutes. Cross them up, 2 more minutes. That's how it works out on mine. The sweet spot is about 145, 150 for these on the grill, and they come out juicy and delicious. All right, we'll get our little instant read thermometer. Put that right in there. See what we're coming up to. Oh, we are getting in the ballpark. So here is our yummy pork chop, and I got some cauliflower mash to go with it. And that meal was ready in about 20 minutes. Ready to dig in. Man, I told you it was that easy. Look, I know these have a little bit of sugar in them. If your plan keeps you away from all sugar, probably not the one for you. If you're watching your carbs and it works into your macros, hey, go for it, because sometimes you're just busy and you need something quick and easy to make. And these taste delicious. Now, if you want to go the zero sugar route, pork works fine. You can buy some center cuts marinate them, season them yourself with the zero sugar stuff. Same with a little loin, you can do it, season it yourself. Be careful with what you season it with, and you'll have zero sugar. So it's an easy meal either way. It just takes a little bit longer to do the marinating and the seasoning and everything. So I hope that works for you. I hope you give it a try. Be adventurous and try new things. I mean, it's already made right there for you. You pay a little bit extra for it, I'm sure, but I like them. I think they're great. So until next time, eat well and may the Lord bless you. It's gonna have to be quick because I'm hungry.